There was a loud gasp in the room as Tom's phone slipped from his hand, smashing onto the hard concrete floor. A sense of loss washed over Tom, his beloved high-end phone now reduced to a web of cracks. He faced a dilemma: splurge on another pricey device or entertain a more budget-friendly alternative. Tom was at a crossroads: to splurge on another expensive phone or to consider a more budget-friendly alternative. Tom started researching, and what he found was surprising, to say the least. Budget phones, it turns out, are not just about saving pennies. They offer compelling performance, often rivaling their high-end counterparts. Plus, they're built to take a beating, perfect for butterfingers like Tom. And the best part? They're catching up in the feature race, packing in everything from fingerprint scanners to quad cameras. So it's not a compromise, it's a smart choice. Tom realized that budget phones weren't just cheaper, but they also offered great value for money. Now here's the kicker that blew Tom's mind. You would think that splashing out on a top-of-the-line phone would get you the best battery life, right? Turns out that's not always the case. In fact, budget phones often outlast their pricier counterparts. The secret lies in their screens. Lower resolution screens require less power, meaning the battery can keep going and going. Tom was astounded. Not only could he save money, but he could also gain a longer battery life with a budget phone. With this newfound knowledge, Tom was ready to make a decision. He weighed the pros and cons, the glitz and glamour of the high-end phones against the practicality and affordability of the budget ones. The price tag of the budget phone left more room in his wallet, and the performance was more than enough for his daily needs. He remembered his shattered screen and thought about the durability of the budget phone. It was built to last, not just to show off. He also considered the battery life, which promised to keep him connected longer. And just like that, Tom, once a high-end phone user, became a proud and satisfied owner of a budget phone.